Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Today I will teach you the chapter number 4, Holly Loves Lavender. So here look at the pictures, 4 pictures are there. So here I should switch off the lights when nobody is in the room. This will save the electricity. Obviously you should save the electricity. Not for anyone, for us, for our human being. I'm glad you are using a cloth bag instead of poly bag. You know that poly bag or the plastics are very harmful for our environment. So we should use eco-friendly bag that is friendly for our environments. Okay, that is for eco-friendly bag, for cloth bags or paper bags. Number 3, thank you for cleaning the road. Obviously they are our part of the society. This picture, part of the society. Obviously when we'll go, we'll see, obviously we should thank them, we should thankful to them. Ma'am, I made this project using recycled paper, and sometime we should use our recycled paper, water like this. You can use that water like this, your cleaning water you can give to your garden, so sometime we can save. Okay, and also taking bath time, while taking bath we should use the small amount of water, not so many, not lots of water, so we can read. Holly was a rabbit who loved lavender. Lavender actually is a type of plant, and it was very nice plant. Okay, very nice plant and nice scent also. But where we can use, this is also herb, one type of. She loved its smell, taste, and even its color. It's very nice. We can also sometime we can get the smell from our powder, our perfume like this. Wherever she found lavender, she would start munching it. Munching means chewing. Holly ate so much lavender that she became really big. So she was biggest rabbit in the burrow, but she could not stop eating lavender. She was eating, and she was very big. The other rabbits in the burrow began to worry. Worry means tensed. They were thinking about that. Lavender was vanishing from their gardens. Holly ate it all. সব খেয়ে নিয়েছে. Everything he has eaten. Lavender was not just food for the rabbits. It was not only the food for the rabbits. Lavender was a herb. It was a medicine to cure sick rabbits too. So it's a herb means it is also Ayurveda type of, there's a plant. They are eating plants. So where they will get medicine? They are eating medicine from the plants. And when they are ill, they are taking lavender. Soon some rabbits from the burrow fell sick. But there was no lavender to cure them. What would happen now? So what would happen? Actually, they are not having any lavender. Everything the Holly has eaten. Holly became sad. She had been greedy and eaten up all the lavender. She did not think that it would take so much time the lavender plants to grow back. Obviously, one plant, if it is taken, after some time only that plants will grow. It will take time. One day, Holly saw a small spring of lavender in the forest. She had not eaten any lavender for weeks because all the lavender has finished. She has eaten. She wanted so much to bite into the sweet smelling lavenders. But she remembered the rabbits who are ill because they need it. She carefully cleared the ground around the plant and watered it. So obviously every day she has given water. Every day she cared for it. Soon it grew tall and other tiny lavender plants started growing around it too. Because if you are watering, if you are giving proper care, the lavender tree will grow. Any plant will grow. So one day, that's when the rabbits got to know, they thanked Holly. So they took a few leaves from each plant and fed them to sick rabbits. Holly was very happy she could help others. So everybody should help others. So this is the story. Please read. And any meaning if you don't know, please note it. I told also that lavender is a plant, it is a herb. Herb obviously you have already read in the science book. It is small type of plants, and also it is sometime working as a medicine for the rabbits. That is lavender. It's a very small plant and it has nice smell. And also munching means chewing. He can chew. And after that, worry means tensed. He was very tensed. They were. So here, forest means the jungle. And after that, if anybody don't know the meaning, please write it in the live class. I can tell you. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.